Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily create a group in Messenger. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Messenger application on your device and click on the pen icon at the top right corner. Click on the group chat option at the top and then after you will see the list of your friend list. Simply choose the person whom you want to include in this group chat. Once you are done choosing the people from the list, simply click on Create at the top right corner. Make sure you choose more than 2 people because Messenger won't allow you to create a group with only a person. So that's it. That is how easily you can create a group on Messenger. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.